Hello everyone. Today we are learning the align command. Aligns objects with other objects in 2D and 3D. Either 1, 2, or 3 pairs of source points and definition points can be specified to move, rotate, or tilt the selected objects, aligning them with points on another object. Specify either 1, 2, or 3 pairs of source points and definition points to align the selected objects. The following prompts are displayed. Select objects, select the objects to align, and press Enter. The next series of prompts asks for source and destination points. The number of point pairs that you specify determines the results. First source point, first destination point. When you select only one source point and destination point pair, the selected objects move in 2D or 3D from the source point, 1 to the destination point, 2, first and second source and destination points. When you select 2-point pairs, you can move, rotate, and scale the selected objects to align with other objects. The first set of source and destination points defines the base point for the alignment. The second set of points defines the angle of rotation. After you enter the second set of points, you are prompted to scale the object. The distance between the first and second destination points is used as the reference length to which the object is scaled. Scaling is available only when you are aligning objects using 2-point pairs. Note, if you use 2 source and destination points to perform a 3D alignment on non-perpendicular working planes, you get unpredictable results. First, second, and third source and destination points. When you select 3-point pairs, you can move and rotate the selected objects in 3D to align with other objects. The selected objects move from the source point to the destination point. The selected object is rotated so that it aligns with the destination object. The selected object is then rotated again so that it aligns with the destination object. To align 2 objects in 2D, type Align in the command line and press Enter. Select the objects that you want to align. Specify a source point and then the corresponding destination point. To rotate the object, specify a second source point, followed by a second destination point. Press Enter to end the command. The selected objects are moved from the source point to the destination point, and second and third points, if you specify them, rotate and tilt the selected objects. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest content on my YouTube channel.